Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another tutorial. So today is a little bit different. As you can tell, it's a very bright and a pop of colour. The reason for this is because I did put a poll on my Instagram the other day asking what you guys want to see. If you want to see more makeup tutorials, vlogs, colourful makeup tutorials, hair tutorials, things like that. And out of the makeup tutorials, you guys still want to see makeup tutorials, but you wanted to see more colour. So I thought I would do something different on my channel and add a little bit of colour. Now this is the first time doing this look. I'm kind of happy with it, but I'm not happy with it. I think it's because it's so bright and I don't really use or wear colours like this on my face, so it's probably a little bit of a shock to me. But yeah, if you like this look and you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on my Instagram page. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into this tutorial. So first I'm going to dip into the Urban Decay Electric palette. Now I apologise in advance that I wasn't in focus. I didn't realise the rest of the video is not like this, I promise you. But yeah, I dipped into the shade Chaos and then this is just going all over my lid. Then to blend that out, I'm going to use the shade Gonzo. It's just a bit more of a lighter blue and I'm just going to blend out the harsh lines. Then using this palette from Amazon, I'm going to dip into the light purple first and just start blending out that blue I've just applied. Then to blend out the light purple and to add a little bit more depth into this look, I'm going to be using the dark colour. I am going to take this eye look all the way up to the brow bone, so don't be scared of the way it looks at the moment. These eyeshadow looks always look very like intimidating and scary at first, but honestly the look comes together, so yeah, don't be shy to mess around with these shades. Then I'm going to dip back into Gonzo and Chaos mixed together and just start defining the crease a little bit more, just so it is a lot more deeper in the crease, and then I'll dip back into the dark purple just to blend them two colours together. Dipping into the shade Savage, which is a really bright pink. I'm going to go above that purple. This is just going to add a little bit more of a pinky look so it isn't entirely blue. And then again, I'm just going to blend all this out so there's no harsh lines. Then I'm just going to apply a little bit more of that Chaos onto the lid because I feel like it disappeared like with all the blending that we just did. Then I'm going to wipe away all that fallout and then go in with the Collection Glam Crystals Glitter Liner and just apply this with a brush and start dabbing this on top of the eyeliner, which I applied off camera. I can never apply eyeliner on camera because I have to get really close to the mirror, so sorry about that guys. Then I'm going to go off camera and just do the rest of my face, like lashes and foundation and things like that. And then moving on to the lower lash, I'm going to go in with the shade Savage just because I wanted to bring a lot more pink to the looks. It was too purple and too blue for my liking. So yeah, I'm just lining my lower lash and then going in with the shade Chaos. Then for the brow bone and the inner corner, I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Highlighter Powder Palette and I'm going to be using the shade Oh My Gold in 02. Then to contour and blush my face, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Blush, Highlight and Contour Palette. I absolutely love this palette. I used it in my previous tutorial where I test out new makeup. I'll leave the link in the top hand corner for you guys. Then I'm going to clean up a little bit and carve out my cheekbones just so the contour looks a little bit more cleaner and sharper. Then I'm going to go in with the same L'Oreal highlighter and just highlight my cheekbones, forehead, nose and my cupid's bow just to get that glow on. Then I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Lip Paint Matte Liquid Lipsticks in the shade 2010 Dead Lips, and then on top of that I'm going to be using my Fcuk lip gloss, and then I'm going to spritz my face with the Makeup Revolution Oil Control Setting Mist. And yeah guys, this is the end result. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page, and hopefully I'll see you in my next tutorial. But yeah, bye guys.